Recently, Uttarakhand CM Tirath Singh Rawat has been replaced by Pushkar Dhami. So we will discuss this issue in this editorial. The title is COVID Shield. Shield means protection. So editorial says that at present we are taking so many actions or we are doing so many things in the name of COVID-19. It means we are doing so many things, and when the question is asked why you did this, then we simply says due to coronavirus. The change at the helm means someone who is in power, someone who controls, है ना? So if we talk regarding Uttarakhand, so CM is at the helm. So editorial says that the change of CM, the change at the helm in Uttarakhand seems appear triggered by legal and political obstacle. Obstacle means hindrances, है ना? Obstacle means any type of hindrances, any type of hindrance. Trigger means to start something, to initiate something, to start something. So editorial says that we see in Uttarakhand the change of CM. And why did this change happen? This change happened due to legal and political hindrances. So editorial we will discuss what is the complete matter in this editorial. So Pushkar Dhami has replaced Tirath Singh Rawat as the new CM of Uttarakhand. In the second change of guard means to replace a person. There was a person who has been given some responsibilities and now you change that person. So it is called change of guard. So here change of guard means change of CM in Uttarakhand. In the second change of guard in the state within 4 months. So editorial says that within 4 months we see second CM in Uttarakhand. Mr. Rawat was not a member of the state legislature. Legislature means the body that makes laws. So legislature can be applied to state assembly as well as parliament. So if we talk about Uttarakhand, Mr. Rawat was not a member of state legislature. It means he was not elected as an MLA and would have had to be elected an MLA. So this is a conditional sentence. Would have had to be elected an MLA. So there was a condition that it was needed that Mr. Tirath Singh Rawat be elected as an MLA. If he were to continue, we use were to, if and were, this structure is used to show some imagination, or you can say that to show some conditional sentence. So editorial says that if BJP wanted to continue Mr. Tirath Singh Rawat, then it was a necessary condition that he should be re-elected as an MLA in office beyond 6 months, to continue in office beyond 6 months. So you can make CM any person who has not been elected as an MLA, but it is the condition that he should be elected as an MLA within 6 months. So the BJP has put out a narrative. Narrative means to say something, of a legal limbo. Limbo means uncertainty, to explain the change. So when the BJP was asked, or you can say that simply the BJP has given explanation that there were some legal uncertainties. Due to these uncertainties, we took this decision and replaced Mr. Tirath Singh Rawat. Claiming means to assert something, to say something forcefully, claiming that it had become impossible for him to be elected an MLA within the 6-month time frame. Time frame means time limit. So editorial says that the BJP says that it had become almost impossible to re-elect or to elect Mr. Tirath Singh Rawat within 6 months. Mr. Rawat said in an exit statement that given the constitutional crisis means a great trouble, I felt it was right for me to resign. So this was the statement of Mr. Tirath Singh Rawat. that he said that I felt it is right that I should resign. He went on to add, and what more was added by the Tirath Singh Rawat? By polls could not be held because of COVID-19. So that's why the title was given COVID Shield. So what is the reason here? The reason has been given that by-polls cannot be conducted due to COVID-19, which was not his decision or the BJP's to take. So editorial says that if we want to organize by-poll, then it is the decision of ECI, Election Commission of India. It is not the decision of Mr. Tirath Singh Rawat or the BJP. The Representation of the People Act 1951 mandate means to prescribe something, to make something rule. So this act, the Representation of the People Act 1951, says that a by-poll for any vacancy should be held means should be conducted, should be organized within 6 months. Within 6 months of that vacancy arise. So if we see any vacancy and for that vacancy within 6 months by-polls should be conducted, provided, what is the condition? That the remainder of the term is not less than 1 year. Suppose there is a state assembly, and if that state assembly and the remaining time of that state assembly is less than 1 year, then you can say that by-poll is not needed. Otherwise, if the time is remaining more than 1 year, then by-poll should be conducted within 6 months. Or the ECI and the center do not certify that holding that by-poll in that time frame is difficult. Otherwise, there should be a certification from the ECI and the central government that by-poll to conduct, or you can say that to organize by-poll is difficult for the particular situation. But this act doesn't bar means to prevent something. The act doesn't bar a by-poll even when the remaining term of the assembly is less than 1 year. So according to this act, if the remaining term of assembly is less than 1 year, still you can conduct by-poll. Though, however, it becomes optional in that case, but it is depends on your choice whether ECI want to conduct or not. In the past, the ECI has conducted by-polls for assemblies that had less than 1 year of life remaining. So you can say that this is our previous experience, that ECI has conducted by-polls for the assemblies that has less than 1 year of their life remaining. It also remains unclear, it is also uncertain, it is also not sure whether the ECI decided not to conduct by-polls to the 2 vacant seats in Uttarakhand Assembly on account of means because of COVID-19 or any other reason. Editorial says that okay, the ECI has decided that the by-polls for the 2 seats of Uttarakhand should not be conducted. So why did the ECI take this decision? Whether it is due to COVID-19 or there is some other reason, it is not clear. The change of guard appears to be a political decision of the BJP. Okay, the BJP has changed the CM and it is the decision of the BJP party. But the party doesn't want it to appear so. But the BJP doesn't want to show that its decision is political. Over two terms, the BJP. So this is the second term of BJP in Uttarakhand. The BJP has had 7 CMs in the state. So editorial says that during the 2 tenure of the BJP in Uttarakhand, BJP has had 7 CMs, and we have seen 7 CMs in Uttarakhand. For all, it claimed mastery over matters political. The party picked the wrong horse. When you pick the wrong horse, it means you select a wrong person. in Mr. Rawat. So editorial says that although we accept that BJP has mastered how to handle political situation, but editorial says that here in respect of Uttarakhand, it seems that when BJP chose Mr. Rawat, he chose wrong person. An admission implied in his replacement. So editorial says that how can we say that the Mr. Rawat was not a suitable choice? Mr. Rawat was not an appropriate choice. We can say that BJP implied means it is hidden in his replacement. Now the BJP has replaced Mr. Rawat, so it gives indication that BJP has accepted, yes, that the BJP had chosen the wrong horse. Far from putting the BJP house in order. When you put any house in order means you make something systematic. So when BJP chose Mr. Rawat, so BJP hoped that Mr. Rawat would manage, you can say that, Uttarakhand BJP unit systematically. But instead of managing the BJP unit in Uttarakhand, what Mr. Rawat did was, Mr. Rawat's tenure means your time period of nearly 4 months. So you can say that Mr. Rawat was chosen as CM just 4 months before. Aggravate means when you, if there is already there is a bad situation, and when you make that bad situation worse, when you spoil any situation, it is called aggravate. Aggravate means to increase in a negative way the tensions within the state unit. And embarrassed means when you feel, you can say that when you feel shame the party elsewhere. So Mr. Rawat was responsible that he increased the tension among the BJP state units, and due to the performance in Uttarakhand, BJP had to feel shame in elsewhere. While a political party can run its affairs as it deem appropriate. Deem means if you think something suitable, you can do it. And appropriate means correct. Deem means to consider. Deem means to acknowledge. If you acknowledge that it is a right decision, then you can do. So that's why editorial says, while a political party can run affair means to handle your matters. Can run its affairs as it deems appropriate. Backing up means to support something, its decisions, with speculation. Speculation means to guess something on how the ECI might act, creates an unhealthy fog. Unhealthy fog means uncertainty around the institution. So editorial says that any political party is free to take its decision, but when you take your decisions according to your guess that how ECI will act or how ECI would act, then editorial says that it creates an uncertainty around ECI, which has had to deal with similar situations elsewhere too. So editorial says that previously there were so many situations and where ECI played its role and dealt with such type of situations. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who is not a member of the State Assembly, needs to be elected to it within 4 months. If we talk about West Bengal, so at present the CM of West Bengal is Miss Mamata Banerjee. Editorial said that, and she is not a member of State Assembly, and she must be elected to the State Assembly of West Bengal within 4 months. The assembly has 7 vacant seats, but there is no clarity regarding the ECI's plans to hold means to conduct bypolls. So editorial says that at present in West Bengal there are 7 vacant seats, but whether on these 7 vacant seats bypolls will be organized or not, it is unclear. For its own reputation and to demonstrate fairness. Fairness means when you do something fairly, means you do something very honestly in the conduct and timing of election, the ECI must explain its thinking regarding pending bypolls. So editorial says that like in Uttarakhand, in West Bengal, we see there are some vacant seats and it is unclear whether bypolls will be organized or not on these seats. So editorial said that ECI should clear this for its own reputation. ECI should demonstrate means to show something. When you show fairness means you show when you don't make, when you make impartial decision, and it is called fairness in the conduct and timing of election. So editorial says that ECI should explain what is ECI thinking regarding pending bypolls. The pandemic here means coronavirus. Pandemic means a widespread disease has raised unprecedented challenges in the management of election. Unprecedented means something that has never happened before. Challenges in the management of elections that the ECI has to adapt to. When you adapt something means you get adjusted according to that thing. Like you are in a desert place and you get adjusted to that environment, it means you have adapted. So editorial said that the pandemic has raised unprecedented challenges and now there are so many challenges before us we have to deal with. So editorial said that in the management of that the ECI has to adapt to. So ECI will have to manage these challenges. It must do. So okay, ECI should manage these challenges, but these challenges should be managed in a way, in a very transparent manner, in a very clear way, and ensure, and it is to be made sure. Ensure means to make something sure that its actions or silence, whether ECI takes a decision or it remains silent, do not appear designed to accommodate. Accommodate means to adjust something. Political machinations is, you can say that conspiracy. Machinations means conspiracy. Editorial said that whatever the decision that ECI takes should not be motivated from any type of political conspiracy.